Hello friends, how are you? And in today's video I tell you 3 best features of AI that's only available in CapCut. Not any other software, only CapCut is doing this. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So our first feature is creating images from text. This is a difficult task, but there are many websites that can do this like Leonardo, Ideogram and Midjourney. But some of these are paid, some of these having credits or time limits or some limitation like creating 10 to 20 images per day. But in CapCut you can generate almost unlimited images. Like there is no limitation in creating images in CapCut, and you can select resolution and then simply click on generate, and after some second it can generate images, and you can now convert into HD to experience full version of image. And this is totally free without any watermark, and you can generate again and again in 4 variants, which is absolutely insane. So let's go to the second feature. So our second feature is auto captions. This is a big issue for creators. Creating captions, creating subtitles, this is a difficult task. There are many websites like captions.ai. I used almost many of the websites, but some of these are paid, some have some credits, some have watermark and many other issues. But this is totally free and you can edit its templates and even a single letter, which is absolutely insane and easy to use. Simply click on auto captions, select your language and generate. And the auto caption feature is available in English, Arabic and many other languages. So go and enjoy this feature. So our third and the last feature is not a single one. There are many other features of AI like using AI enhance, creating stickers from AI and even creating text template from AI. These all features are totally free and do not have any limitations. Like create unlimited images, create unlimited stickers and enhance up to 10 minutes or and even hour audio with free of cost. So these are the 3 features that I most commonly use, and if I miss out some features then tell me in the comments section, and I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.